Every single day, somewhere on Earth, over 20,000 Coca-Cola cans are opened. Think about that. Every second, another one pops open. More than 1.9 billion Coca-Cola drinks sold every single day. Inside its US plant, the machines never sleep, filling hundreds of Coca-Cola bottles every minute. Nearly 500,000 Coca-Cola bottles roll out daily, all with the same iconic taste. But how does this simple-looking Coca-Cola drink stay so perfect from New York to Tokyo? What lies behind its secret formula and flawless production line? Today, we'll open the doors to the factory that powers one of the biggest brands in history. Stay with me till the end, because the secret behind Coca-Cola's success is far more than sugar and fizz. It's a story of science, precision, and a mystery that began more than a century ago. The Coca-Cola drink that defines happiness started not in a lab, but in a small pharmacy in Atlanta. In 1886, a pharmacist named John Pemberton created it as a remedy for headaches. The formula passed to Asa Candler, the man who saw its future as more than just medicine. That small invention became a symbol recognized in every corner of the planet. But one question remains: what really makes Coca-Cola taste like Coca-Cola? The answer hides inside something legendary: merchandise number 7X. A secret formula known to only two people who never travel on the same plane. The ingredients are simple, yet their balance is a guarded secret for more than 130 years. And that mystery is what built one of the most powerful empires in history. But even the world's most famous formula needs one thing above all: perfect water. More than 85% of Coca Cola is water, but not just any water. Inside the Coca Cola plant, every drop passes through a long journey of purification. First, through layers of activated carbon, removing any trace of odor or color, then through ultrafine membranes, filtering every tiny impurity. Ultraviolet beams and ozone light sterilize the flow, leaving only crystal clear water. The result is purity equal to laboratory grade distilled water. Only this water can meet the secret syrup that gives Coca Cola its soul. Science ensures every molecule is ready to merge perfectly with the flavor mix. But what happens next is where chemistry turns into magic. The pure water meets the mysterious syrup inside giant blending tanks. Sugar, caffeine, caramel color, and phosphoric acid fuse together under strict control. Every ratio and temperature measured down to the smallest detail. The syrup becomes the heart of Coca Cola, but it's still missing its life. That life comes through carbonation, when carbon dioxide meets liquid under pressure. Inside sealed chambers, gas dissolves completely into the mix. One small mistake, and the Coca Cola drink loses its sparkle before it even reaches the Coca Cola bottle. Sensors monitor every moment: temperature, flow, and pressure until perfection is achieved. Then comes that sound we all know, the sharp psst when the Coca Cola bottle opens, the sound of refreshment. But before that moment ever happens, another part of the factory is already working. The Coca Cola bottles themselves are being born at lightning speed. Tiny plastic preforms, no bigger than your finger, are heated and stretched into shape. Each one forms the classic Coca Cola bottle, light yet strong enough to hold the fizz. Every Coca Cola bottle passes laser checks that spot even the smallest crack or air bubble. Coca Cola cans are shaped from thin coils of metal, dozens every second, each flawless. Even the Coca Cola glass bottles, melted from sand and soda ash, still keep their timeless curves. Every container of Coca Cola then moves to the next line, where the liquid finally meets its home. Rotary feelers spin with incredible speed, pouring up to 60,000 Coca Cola bottles per hour. Electronic eyes check every fill in Coca Cola bottles, ensuring the level and pressure are always perfect. A final twist seals each Coca Cola bottle tight, locking in freshness, pressure, and flavor. From there, robotic arms pack, wrap, and send Coca Cola bottles and Coca Cola cans across the globe, delivering one simple promise: happiness in every sip.